Ready to really use AI in project management? This hands-on workshop is for you.
Are you tired of just watching endless AI tutorials? Yeah, we get it. It's isolating.
Because there's a world of difference between just watching and actually working together on this stuff.
That's why this workshop is totally different. It's all about hands-on, interactive learning.
Right. This isn't a lecture. It's a real working session where everyone walks away with useful tools.
So what do you actually walk away with? Let's break down the tools and connections.
First off, you get a curated library of AI prompts made specifically for PM workflows.
You'll also learn peer-tested techniques from other project managers who are using AI every day.
And maybe the best part, you'll build an instant network with 9 other like-minded professionals.
Our agenda is all about interaction, from a roundtable on AI apps to a prompt sharing workshop.
So you're probably wondering, is this workshop actually for you?
Well, if you're a project manager who's curious about AI, you're in. That's it.
All right, ready for the specifics? Here are the essential details.
Go ahead and mark your calendar for Saturday, April 11th, 2026.
We'll be kicking things off at 9 a.m. and going until noon Central Time.
And we're meeting up at the awesome Pendry, Chicago, right on Michigan Avenue.
Now, this is important. We're keeping this super focused. It's limited to just 10 people.
Why only 10? Because a small group means everyone gets to talk and the conversations go deeper.
All right, let's talk about the tickets. There's a great deal for early birds.
If you're one of the first 5 to sign up, you'll snag the early bird price of just $99.
So the real question is, are you ready to stop watching and start doing?
Don't miss out. Head to the website to grab your seat before they're all gone.